Hi, hello, welcome family. Link in description. DEWALT 20V Tools. Unrivaled performance. DEWALT 20V Tools have been making waves in the realm of power tools, offering unparalleled performance and reliability. With a wide range of cordless options available, these tools have become a staple for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Exceptional power and versatility. One of the standout features of DEWALT 20V Tools is their exceptional power and versatility. Whether it's drilling through tough materials or driving screws with precision, these tools deliver consistent and reliable performance. The 20-volt lithium-ion battery provides ample power to tackle even the most demanding tasks, while also offering extended runtime for increased productivity. Robust construction for durability. Durability is key when it comes to power tools, and DEWALT doesn't disappoint in this aspect. Constructed from high-quality materials, DEWALT 20V tools are built to withstand the rigors of the job site. From the ergonomic design to the rugged housing, every aspect of these tools exudes durability, ensuring they can handle whatever you throw at them. User-friendly design for enhanced efficiency. In addition to their power and durability, DEWALT 20V tools are also designed with the user in mind. The ergonomic handles and lightweight construction make them comfortable to use for extended periods, reducing fatigue and increasing efficiency. Additionally, features such as LED lights and variable speed triggers enhance precision and control, allowing users to tackle even the most intricate tasks with ease. Wide range of applications. From construction sites to home workshops, DEWALT 20V tools excel in a wide range of applications. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a weekend warrior, these tools offer the versatility and performance needed to get the job done right. Link in description. Link in description. From drilling and fastening to cutting and grinding, there's a DEWALT 20V tool for virtually any task you can imagine. Reliable performance every time. When it comes to power tools, reliability is paramount, and DEWALT 20V tools deliver consistently. Thanks to their robust construction and advanced engineering, these tools perform flawlessly, day in and day out. Whether you're working on a commercial construction site or a DIY project at home, you can trust DEWALT 20V tools to deliver the performance you need when you need it most. Exceptional value for money. Despite their premium quality and performance, DEWALT 20V tools offer exceptional value for money, with a wide range of options available at various price points. There's a DEWALT 20V tool to suit every budget. And thanks to their durability and reliability, these tools are sure to provide years of service, making them a smart investment for both professionals and hobbyists alike. Conclusion. In conclusion, DEWALT 20V tools are the epitome of performance, reliability, and value. From their exceptional power and versatility to their user-friendly design and rugged construction, these tools excel in every aspect. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, DEWALT 20V tools are sure to exceed your expectations and help you tackle any task with confidence. Link in description. Like and subscribe. Thanks for your watching.